excuse my appearance. I'm sitting at home doing nothing all day. But I went to get something out of the dishwasher, and there's a fucking lizard. I think it's like a baby gecko on the pan. What is that? Why? How would you even get in there? I'm pretty sure he's dead. His eyes are all like messed up, but ugh, I hate it. I hate it. Listen, I lived in Florida for like a year, and part of that year we lived on the ground floor. Never did we have a lizard get into the dishwasher. Is this Texas life? Is this what it is to be a Texan? Random lizards getting in your dishwasher? Let me know.